Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit styles of shapes in Draw.io diagrams. This is a fantastic skill to master because it allows you to create professional looking diagrams that are visually appealing and perfectly tailored to your presentation needs. To get started, head over to Draw.io.com and click the Start button. This will launch the application and direct you to another tab where you can begin creating and editing your diagram. Once the page loads, you'll see the workspace appear, giving you access to all the tools you need. The first thing you'll want to do is select a specific shape from your diagram. Simply click on the shape you want to customize. As soon as you do this, look over to the right side of your screen and you'll notice the Style panel appears. This is where all the magic happens and where you can transform a basic shape into something truly unique. Now, let's start with the basics. You can select a color for that shape by clicking on the color picker. This allows you to match your diagram to your brand colors or simply make it more visually distinct. Choosing the right color is important because it helps different elements stand out and makes your diagram easier to understand at a glance. Next, you'll notice the fill options. Here you can edit the fill pattern of your shape by selecting from options like hatch, solid, dots, crosshatch, dashed, and zigzag line. Each of these patterns offers a different visual effect, so experiment to see which one works best for your design. The solid fill is great for clean, professional looks, while patterns like hatch or dots can add texture and interest. If you want to add even more depth to your shape, you can check the gradient option. This creates a gradient color effect that transitions smoothly from one shade to another, giving your shape a more dynamic and polished appearance. Moving on to the line settings, click on the line option where you can select what kind of line you want on your shape. You have several styles to choose from, and this is where you can really customize the borders of your shapes. You can also adjust the color of the line to complement or contrast with your fill color, and don't forget to modify the thickness of the line. A thicker line can make your shape more prominent, while a thinner line keeps things subtle and refined. Beyond just colors and lines, you can also edit the perimeter and opacity of your shape. Adjusting the opacity is particularly useful if you want to layer shapes or create a watermark effect, allowing elements beneath to show through slightly. Finally, if you're looking for even more style options for your shape, you can check additional effects like rounded, glass, sketch, and shadow. The rounded option softens the corners, glass adds a glossy, modern look, sketch gives it a hand-drawn feel, and shadow provides depth by adding a subtle drop shadow effect. These finishing touches can elevate your diagram from simple to sophisticated. And that's it. You've now transformed a basic shape into a customized, professional element that fits perfectly into your diagram. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.